How to determine the reactants and the products in a given chemical equation, and how to know the physical states of reactants and products. First of all, you need to understand that a chemical equation, you have substances and they are always separated with an arrow showing before the reacting material and after the product obtained, the substances obtained. So whatever is written before the arrow, like for example over here, the Na and the Cl are the reacting substances. So reactants in this first example are Na and chlorine. And the reactants in this second equation is H2O. Now looking at this third example, the reactants are aluminium and copper sulfate. These are the reactants. How to determine the products in a chemical equation? We look at what is written after the arrow. So the products in these three examples are, in the first one, it is NaCl. In the second one, I have two substances as a product. And in the third, I have two substances as products. So in the first equation, the products are NaCl. In the second equation, the products are oxygen and hydrogen. And in the third equation, the products are copper and aluminum sulfate. These are the products. So always in a given chemical equation, here are some examples. Whatever is written before the arrow are called reactants. Here's the reactant. Here are other reactants. What's written after the arrow are the products. Now, one more thing I am going to mention in this video tutorial is the physical states of reactants and products. So let's begin with this example. What are the physical states of these given reactants and products? So let's focus on the symbols written in parentheses. Here I have S, means that the aluminium is a solid. Here I have AQ. It means that this reaction is aqueous. It's dissolved in water. Again, this is a product, solid, copper. And this is a solution product, an aqueous solution. Let's look at other given examples in this video tutorial. What does it mean when an L is written? L means that this reactant is liquid. G means that this reactant is gas. This product is gas. And also this product, oxygen, is gas. So these are called physical states of reactants and products. So again, AQ is aqueous and L liquid, G gas.